dorsai. This is almost part of the lower back, which links in around here, and is located there. Triceps brachii, which has 3 heads, which makes a horseshoe shape, is there. Vastus medialis is in the middle, which is there. Teres major, located on top of the latissimus dorsi, which is there, which links into your rear delts. Pectoralis major is there, which links into your front delt. Tibialis anterior, which is on top of the shin. Trapezius, which is top of the back. Rectus abdominis are your abs. Vastus lateralis, which is the outer sweep of the quads, which is there. Your soleus muscle, which is on the bottom of gastrocnemius. Now this muscle is this semidendinosus, which is located there. Your deltoid, which runs into the top of your pecs, which are there. There's 3 heads of those, which are the front, side, and rear. Obliques, which run into your abs, are located there. Bicep femoris is actually in the middle of the hamstring, which is there. Erectus spinae is the lower back, which runs into the latissimus dorsi. Vastus intermedialis, which is in the middle of the quads. Gastrocnemius, which is another part of the calf muscle, which is located there. Your rectus femoris is on the front of the quads, which is one of the bigger muscles, is there. Semimembranosus, which is in the middle of the hamstrings, which is located there. And your biceps brachii is there, which has 2 heads, which is the inner and the outer peak. Your gluteus maximus, which is your bottom, which is the biggest muscle in your body, is located there. Vertebral column. Start upwards, which is thoracic, which is located at the bottom here, which hurt when if you've ever fallen off a skateboard. It is really painful, which is also known as your tailbone. Sacral is this little bit coming up there, which is just above those. Cervical, which is this red bit going along here, which runs up into the cranium. Thoracic, which is the longer part of the vertebral column, which is along there, gives it that arc. Labeling the human skeleton, which starting off with the ribs, which protect the vital organs, are around here. The tarsals, which are the teeth and toes, which are located there. Pubis, which is located in the front here. Patella, which is the knee tendon, is here. Cranium, which protects your skull, is there. Now the tibia, which makes up part of the lower leg, is located here. The ulna, which makes up the lower arm, is this long bone along here. Humerus, also known as your funny bone, makes up the top of the arm. Sternum, which is in front of the ribs, is there. Fibia, which makes up the part of the lower leg. Your phalanges, lower body, are your toes. Your scapula, which is this part along here, which allows you to retract your shoulder blades. Your clavicles, located at the top there. Your metacarpals are located here. And your femur, which is the longest bone in the human body, is located here, along there. Your ischium, which is located at the bottom here. Your carpals, which are located here, which are part of the make up part of the hand. Phalanges upper body, which are your fingers, make up this bit here. Radius, which is part of the upper arm, which is located there. Your metatarsals, again teeth and toes, which make up part of the little bones which are located here. And your ilium, which makes up part of the seat bit there. Spine, the vertebral column, sorry, which is a sacral to start off with, which is this green along here. Cervical, which is a smaller bit of the red bit, which goes up into the cranium, which is located here. Thoracic is the longest bit, which gives you that arch in the vertebral column, which is located here. Coccyx, which also referred to as a tailbone. If you've ever fallen off a skateboard, it's very painful. It's a very small bit there. And the lumbar, which makes up part of the lower back, is located here.